Powerful enhancements and improvements have been made to DDScad 18 Mechanical and Plumbing to significantly support you in your everyday work. For example, the cooling load dialog with the latest ESBO version gives you even more detailed calculations in the report. The maximum temperature drop is now predefined for the complete circulation circuit to the standard value of 5 Kelvin and can be edited if needed. The supply line above sea level parameter is now automatically determined to consider the pressure loss due to geodetic height for the consumers. This significantly reduces the probability of errors compared to manual adjustments. If necessary, you can manually override the supply line height. In addition, DDScad 18 allows you to integrate a water heater, such as an instantaneous water heater, into a cold water loop system and take it into account in the calculation. What's more, ventilation reports can now also produce room zoning information. In addition, the dialogs for defining hydraulic circuits and calculation points have been improved and made even more user-friendly. Numerous small improvements for faster and more flexible processes. With DDScad 18, your mechanical and plumbing planning is now even more efficient.